Don't care about my appearance today. You remember the video? We have been trying to have a baby. We have failed so far. And I try this. They tell us to use this. This is called the ovulation. If you see this doesn't mean that I'm pregnant. This means that today is the day that I got upgrade. If I try to have intercourse, today will be the day to increase all my chances to get pregnant. Yeah. I don't know if you see this. Yeah. If there are two, that means you good. And how is it more if there are more? Because this is safe, not really safe. You see, there we go. You see there are two. So that means that the chances to get pregnant are high. So I'll check today tomorrow morning and I'll show you how it looks like. And it looks like the same. I mean evening. Yeah, more evening. And I don't want him to know this because he gets stressed and panic, the white man. I don't know what happened to them. But this is how it looks like. So wish me luck. So I just checked my calendar and today is my day 13. And what did I do? This is my ovulation concieve. You also saw it yesterday. I took it and it was a little bit more red. And I expect it to be more red today. Guess what? After the results, I'm gonna have to shower. And my man is sleeping. And I'll go. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Because as I told him, when he gets more, he panics. Yeah, I don't really get choice. So, and this is what I'm going to do. This is a ovulation kit, just like it was last time. Maybe when I do like this, it gets better. No, it doesn't get any better. Anyway, let me check, and I have my kit here, and I'm going to check, and I'll be back to you in just a second. So this is how it looks before. Ooh, now you see it's more lighter. You see the two, yeah. Let's wait. It hasn't even been minute. So let's wait. So finally the results are in and the results are positive. You see? It's more clear. You see? I don't know how to do it. You see? It's more clear. So now to taste the day. To taste the day. Let me go do my work. You know why I use this? Because my periods are a little bit messy. My periods comes this time 26. Then that looks really clear. Look at that bitch. It's time to go and cut the cord. So see you day 2 tomorrow.